$550 for one image, $621 for another one, and another for $463, and so forth. In today's video, you can do this an unlimited number of times because you don't need a camera, you won't have to take any pictures yourself, you don't need social media followers, and I'll give you a free tool where you can get this done in less than 10 minutes of work. It's a website that we've never used before, and people from all over the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this website. By the way, check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. You know, we really appreciate people that teaches other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and also, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Want to be notified whenever I upload a new video? Click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So first of all, this is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you'll be making money, but rather it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. So you can get hundreds of dollars with the second website where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. But before we get to that website, we need images, and I'm going to show you how to create those images. This is the website right on your screen, but later on I'll show you its URL link so you can go over to it and do whatever I showed you. But for now, this is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates which will allow you to just drop and create professional looking designs. You can simply come over to the website and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. But what can you create using this website? Well, you can create social media graphics. You can pick up a photo and apply design filters or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high quality designs. That's exactly what we'll be focusing on. So they also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but it isn't what we'll be focusing on. We're only focusing on images that we can create in minutes to share instantly and then get paid with the website that I'm about to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it's still okay. You can still do this with your phone because the app is available for both Android and iOS. So even if you're laying in your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's gonna be simple, so come over to Adobe Spark, just type in its URL, spark.adobe.com, and click on Get Started Now. So you can create a free account and you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple account with your Gmail or Adobe ID. Once you figure out what account you want to sign up with, log in and it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account, you'll be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You can have all the different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you, and you just need to change the text, and that way it becomes your own unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with the website. You can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom-sized graphics. All of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, among other things. So let's say, for example, I want to use the flyer design template. I'm just gonna click on that so that I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design, to load my template, so I can fully customize it. I can change everything, and all I have to do is double click on the text, type in whatever I want to. Let's say, for example, our YouTube channel name. When I type in digital cash flow, click done, it will change this image. Now on the right hand side, you can also customize colors. You can change the font, the size, you can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, different animations, and whatnot. Here on the left hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I would rather prefer this one. I click on create from this template and wait until it loads, and I can customize this one. It's really easy and simple to use because once again, it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Let's say I want to type once again digital cash flow. I'll click Done. Now, it's gonna look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image too. I can also do that as well. I can click on Replace or Remove Background or add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use, and you can create all sorts of different designs from those templates. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly gonna download this image to your computer. It's going to download the high quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open up, for example, a snipping tool or any other screenshot software that you have on your computer and just screenshot this image. Take a snap and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom and you're ready to go. It's so simple and easy to get those designs done with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. Now, let me show you the websites that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. Right, the website is called designcrowd.com. This is over at designcrowd.com, where you will get paid for all those different designs for logos, business cards, web designs, flyer designs, graphic designs, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to this jobs category, and let's say for example I select graphic designers, you'll be able to see that people from all over the world are making money. You have people from all over the globe making hundreds and thousands of money. If we, for example, select logo designers, you'll be able to see that people are also making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with the designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs, which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if we go over to the job section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business cards down to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs, everything that we saw on the previous website, everything which you can get done in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So let's say for example you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that and you'll be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your design and get paid. You can get paid for one single image that you submit over there for one single design, which you can get done in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. You can get paid for just this project alone, and there will be new jobs coming in all the time. So you'll never run out of jobs to complete within all of those sections. Of course, 2 jobs are not a lot, but that's only under the flyer design section. You have different sections which you can select. You can maybe go on to banner ad designs, app designs, icons, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. Now, to get started with designcrowd.com, all you have to do is come over to this website, click join for free. This button is right here. Enter your email address, create a password, and click on let's go. Once you sign up, you log into your brand new account. You can start browsing all of these different jobs, and once you find a suitable one, just click on it, submit your design, and wait to see if you've made money. And since a lot of you guys are often asking me how you can cash out money from this website, I want to explain to you everything, how it's really simple. Once you start making money, just go over to your profile settings right here. Just click profile settings, and then on the left side, you can select payouts right here. Then select your payout method and you can enter your payment details, and that's how you can collect your earnings. That's pretty much it. Also, don't forget to check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.